So guys, I'm preparing bacon. And this is the ingredients for French toast: vanilla, cinnamon, whole cream, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and then gardenia pig slice, and butter also. I'm going to put 2 eggs in that, and then 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Ay, pumatakot. Ayaw niya lumabas. Ayaw lumabas. Sobra. Ayun, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Cream, Hardy Fresh, lactose free. Okay. Ito siya. We're going to mix it. Alam nilang tunaw na yung asukal. It's okay already. This mixture that I make is good only for 4 pieces thick bread of gardenia. Or you can do it on 6 pieces. Habang natutunan mo yung batter, gagawin natin. Toss and toss lang habang sa naramdaman mo na mabigat na siya. Yung gamit ko kaya 500 watts lang gamit ko para hindi siya mabigla sa luto. And you need to move it on counterclockwise para pantay yung luto niya. Ganyan na. Antilik ba? Check natin kung pwede na siyang baligtad. Okay. Flip na natin siya. Pantay yung kanyang luto. Don't need me too much. Tada! Okay, that's the breakfast. And you need the maple syrup also. This one is good. That's my asawa's plate. And coffee.